Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim. Sunroof. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. Heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 42,958 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.